Hello students, so here I am once again with another problem on projection of planes. This time I am going to take a problem of a semicircle. Look at the problem. The problem will be draw the projection of a semicircle of 80 mm diameter having its straight edge on the VP and inclined at 45 degree to the HP. The surface of the plane is inclined 30 degree to the VP. So again this will be a problem when the surface of the plane will be inclined to the vertical plane and one of the part of the plane will be on the VP and inclined to HP by some angle. So as we already remember that we have already discussed that whenever we want to make surface inclined to VP, we will suppose that our surface of the plane will be parallel to the VP in the first stage. So I should begin with the front view, and in the front view we will keep that edge, that straight edge, that is only one single straight edge in a semicircle. So we will keep that straight edge perpendicular to the HP. So I should start with the front view. Already I have drawn this figure. So this is the front view, this will be our XY line and this will be our figure. In the front view I have kept this straight edge perpendicular to the HP. Then after that I have divided this semicircle into 6 equal parts. Naming should be 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash and 7 dash. As we have kept this plane on the VP because they are saying one of the straight edge on the VP, so I have taken that. Suppose that the plane will be on the VP, so the top view will be on the reference line. Now in the second stage, now I am going to make the surface of the plane inclined to VP by some angle 30 degree. As you know that inclination with the VP will be seen in the top view, so I will make this straight edge in the top view inclined at some angle 30 degree to the reference line, and I will copy this figure from the second one. So the same distance I will carry forward on this line. I will shift all the points on this second top view. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and this angle will be 30 degree. Now with the help of this figure I will draw the front view. As you know that when the plane will be inclined to VP, the distances of the top view will change, but the distances of the front view remains same. So we will draw projectors locus line from the first figure like this. So I will draw parallel lines from all the points in the front view and bring projectors from the top view upside. So this is the way I can mark all these points in the front view again. So this will be point 7 dash, this is 1 dash, 2 dash, so this is 2 dash, this is 3 dash, this is 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, and finally 7 dash. I can join all these points. This will be the straight edge, and these points will be drawn with the help of a freehand curve like this. So now look at this figure. So this is the front view of this semicircle when the surface will be inclined to VP. Now in third stage, what we are going to do, we are going to make this straight edge inclined at 45 degree to the HP. So in the third stage, I will make this figure in the front view, the straight edge inclined to HP by some angle 45 degree, that is given in the problem. So in next stage, we are going to copy this whole figure, and I will make it inclined by 45 degree to the reference line. So initially I will mark a line at 45 degree to the reference line, and on that line I am going to shift this. So I will draw a line at 45 degree inclined to the reference line. Now on this line I am going to shift the whole figure. So I just copy the figure from this position like this. So these are the initial 2 points, that is 7 dash and 1 dash. Now with reference to this 7 dash 1 dash, I will mark other points. So this is the midpoint of this line. Then this second point, which is away from this side, and also this side. The third line will be like this. Now I will draw perpendiculars from all these lines, and on that I will get my points. This is known as offsetting. Earlier we have already talked. This method is known as offsetting method, to copy any given figure in a new location. So that I am doing. Now copy all these points. The distance of 2 and 6 will be same, so these 2 points. Then distance of 5 and 3 will be same, so this is 0.5, and finally the point that will be 4. Now join these points. This is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. Join these points like this. You will get the required figure. So now our plane will be, the edge of the plane will be inclined to VP by some angle 45 degree. Now with the help of this I can plot the top view. As you know that the distances in the top view will remain same. So I will draw initially the locus line from all these points in the top view like this. And draw perpendiculars from the top front view like this. One will be on the first line, this 2 will be on the second line, the 3 will be on the third line, and the 4 will be again on the fourth line. This 5 will be on the fifth line, third line, 6, and finally 7. I got all those points in the top view. I will name them. This will be point 7, this will be point 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. So already I got all the 6 points, 7 points in the top view. Now join those points. These two, 1, 7 will be a straight line, so I will join that with the help of a straight line, and the remaining points will be joined by freehand curve. The curve will be like this. So this is the final figure. Now you can see that this is our problem. This one edge 1, 7 will be on the VP and inclined to HP by some angle 45 degree. So this is another problem in which we have started from front view. I hope you understand the problem. Solve this problem in your sketchbook. For any doubts, you can easily call me on my number. Thank you very much.